Russian pair Yury Postrigay and Alexander Dyachenko blitzed the field for gold in the Olympic canoe sprint men's kayak double event Saturday. Postrigay and Dyachenko raced away to win the sprint by a huge three-quarter length margin in 33.507 seconds. Belarus claimed silver through Raman Piatrushenka and Vadzim Makhneu in 34.266, while British pair Heath and Schofield took bronze in 34.421. The world champion French team finished fourth. It is a really tough competition. We have trained hard. It is the Olympics, and that's how it goes, said Postrigay.